Coming down the Highway 1 coastline, approaching Fort Bragg here to the south of us. Sure wish my Jake brake would work. It only works when it feels like it. Joining me here in a 10-yard concrete mixer as I negotiate this road. Up here in, as far as I'm concerned, God's country. Lots of fun. I love it up here. I love it. I love it. Just finished pouring a little bit of concrete in Westport, California. This concrete mixer's very top heavy, and so you got to pay particular attention on these corners to avoid rolling it over on its side. That would hurt. That would ruin the whole day. It pissed me right off too. Looks like in the mirror. Now from here, would you believe there's actually people that want to ride bicycles on this road and act like it's the thing to do? You see it from up here. If you were considering riding your bicycle on Highway 1, reconsider. Reconsider. I don't recommend it. Find someplace else. Pull over and let this car go by. Find the right gear. Alright, I'm going to hang up and drive now, or later.